Hi, I'm Sonal and welcome to yet another Sunday vlog of my life. Throughout my whole life, I have been inconsistent in discipline. In everything I do, I always have this habit of putting off things for the future and always not end up doing it, which has kind of made me feel restless. And I always have this restless feeling that, that is not kind of a good feeling to have all the time. When I was younger, till class 12th, for me, not having discipline or consistency in my life was not that of a big problem because somewhere without even knowing consciously, we are kind of following routine in our life. We have fixed time to go to school, we have fixed time to go to coaching if we are doing it, and you wake up every day at the same time, you sleep at the same time. So eating at the you have you eat also at the same time. So without even knowing it, we are somewhere following the discipline and are being consistent. But then comes the after 12th part for me, especially when I really don't have a fixed timing to do anything. But if you are living all alone, outside or just in your home, it's just that nobody now is gonna tell you to when to wake up or when to sleep, when to eat, or just you don't have to. If you don't want to go anywhere outside, you don't need to go. It's just now you have the power, but you still feel the restless feeling because you don't have discipline and the consistency in your life. Now you can sleep at any time, now you can wake up at any time, now you can watch mobile for how many hours you want. Nobody's gonna come and tell you don't do that or just go eat. They will tell you go eat, but they are not gonna push you eat. So the way we are very much used to in our childhood, they're not gonna tell you in that way. And that's when this feeling that how discipline and consistency can be important in your life start clicking your head. I think from the last month, I just don't know, but somewhere I have started realizing that I need to be consistent, I need to be disciplined in my life, because it's a long journey. Okay, it's not a very short journey. In itself is a very long journey, and you cannot be disciplined and think your life to go in a very smooth way. That's when I started thinking that now I need discipline and consistency in my life. Last month, August, I didn't perform well. I failed every day of August. Every day in August, I think I have stayed indisciplined or not consistent enough. It's not like that I'm indisciplined in every field of my life. There are some things where I am very much disciplined, and there are some things where I'm not disciplined at all. I don't have discipline when it's come to when should I wake up, or I don't have discipline when it comes to how many hours I should scroll my phone, or I don't have discipline when it comes to I should go outside often, or I should not stay in the room all the time. I don't have discipline when it comes to studies. That's when I started realizing that I need to work upon all of that. But as I told, I have failed almost every single day of August. So I'm still recording this video because I'm gonna again make this chart for September, and I really hope that I will be doing well in that. Hope so. I will be. Somewhere subconsciously, I feel now that I can be consistent, I can be disciplined, because I've thought that thing for so long, that I want to be consistent and I want to be disciplined, that for somewhere subconsciously I feel that I can be consistent. And still 4 months are left in the end of this year, and I just wish that one thing that I can be very proud of after the 24 is that I became consistent or disciplined in my life. So yeah, that's what I want for my 24 goals. Discipline and consistency are so much complementary words for each other, because you cannot be disciplined if you are not being consistent. And after attaining the discipline in your life, you can without even consciously putting efforts, you can be consistent. I'm not planning to be like the ideal example of what discipline. I'm just going, because ideal seems to be like infinity, right? You cannot ever achieve it. I don't feel ideal is something that can exist in real life. It's just a imaginary world. It's just like infinity, right? So I'm planning to be consistent and disciplined with having a buffer area for myself also, because where buffer area is, I think, always necessary. Even in the war we have buffer area, right? So buffer area is something which I will keep always, but I want most of my life to be like the disciplined and the consistent. And also discipline just makes your life very easy, right? I think this discipline just makes your life easy. If you have discipline, it's just like you can do anything without putting efforts, right? So I really want to attain discipline in my life. The foremost goal of my 24 is to be like disciplined and consistent. And yeah, that's a lot for me to say, because I've never been that person, and just now telling you guys that okay, in 4 months I will be consistent and disciplined. Yeah, but it's okay to manifest, and whatever you want or want to achieve, you should just put it out there, because universe does work, I feel so yeah, for that reason I'm just putting it out there that one day I'm going to be disciplined and consistent, and everything's going to work out. So yes, that's it for today's video. And yeah, if you guys like this video of mine, so please do like, share and subscribe, which is bits and pieces of my life, because my life is full of mess and not a very what I can say, not a very it's not a very gloomy one, I could say, right? Okay.